In today's video, I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sew a front fly zipper to a pair of trousers. The process of making a front fly involves many steps and it can sometimes be really confusing, even for an experienced sewist. And I hope by you following my tutorial that you will find this process easier and more clear for you. Hi, my name is Matilda and welcome back to Miss Matti, the channel where I share all about DIY tutorials on sewing, knitting, mending, and generally how to live an awesome and sustainable life. And if that sounds like something for you and you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos from me. In today's video, I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sew a front fly zipper to a pair of trousers. The trousers which I will sew the fly to is the Tatjana trousers from Just Patterns. For the process of me making these trousers, I also made videos on how to sew the perfect darts, how to make a single welt pockets, and how to make and attach belt loops. And once those videos are live, I will link to them in the description box down below so you can check them out if you're interested. But now, without further ado, let's get into the step-by-step process on how to sew a front fly zipper to a pair of trousers. Iron on fusible interfacing on the fly shield, the curved edge as well as the straight edge at the front pieces, and any other areas that require interfacing on your trousers. Make sure that the circle marking, where the zip opening will end, is correctly marked on both the right and the left front piece. Also make sure that all other notches and other pattern markings are correctly transferred from your pattern. Finish the edges of the inseams on both the back and the front, as well as the crotch seams with an overlocker or any other seam finish you prefer. Then bind the curved edge of the fly facing. Once that is done, fold the fly facing inward along the center front line and press in place. Fold the fly shield along the middle lengthwise. Then stitch the slant edges with a 1/4 inch or 6 mm seam allowance. Please note that I will use this as the standard seam allowance throughout this tutorial unless I state otherwise. Turn the fly shield to the right side, press, and then base stitch the zipper to the fly shield. Make sure that the zipper stops 5/8 of an inch or 1.5 cm below the top raw edge. Place the fly shield with the zipper facing down on top of the left front leg. Stitch the fly shield with a 1 cm or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance right sides together, making sure that the zipper is sandwiched in between. Once that was done, I bound the raw edge with bias binding. Place the right front leg on top of the left leg and the fly shield right sides together. Start to stitch the crotch seam 5 cm or 2 inches away from the inseam until you reach the circle marking. Then open the trousers and unzip the zipper and unfold the zipper shield from underneath the left front and press if needed. Then edge stitch left front seam through all the layers, including the fly shield. Close the zipper and overlap the right front over the left front by 6 mm or 1/4 inch and pin along the center front, making sure that the notches match. Now turn your work to the wrong side and fold the fly shield out of the way. Make sure to pin the side of the zipper not yet stitched to the fly facing only. Then stitch in place using a zipper foot, making sure to only stitch through the facing. Move shield out of the way, then top stitch the fly 3.5 cm or 1/3/8 of an inch parallel to the center front. Once that is done, it's time to secure the fly to the fly facing by stitching them together diagonally at the bottom. and your front fly zipper is now complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now able to successfully sew a front fly zipper to a pair of trousers. If you made your front fly zipper following my tutorial, do not forget to tag me on Instagram at Miss Matti. I would love to see how it turned out. And this is how the Tatjana trousers turned out in the end. As I mentioned earlier, I also made several other videos throughout the process of making these trousers. And those videos include how to sew the perfect dart every time, how to make and attach belt loops, and how to successfully sew single welt pockets to a pair of trousers. And once those videos are live, I will link to them in the description box down below, so you can check them out if you're interested. And if you like this video, you most likely will like these videos over here as well. And until next time, bye!